Hello everyone, I'm Steve Caniglia with the Caniglia Group at North & Co.
I'm Erik Jensen. I can't believe it's already October and we're bringing you the September numbers. Again, I want to thank everyone. We had an overwhelming response from our past clients and some people that live in the neighborhoods that saw the video, sent us positive feedback. We definitely encourage you to send us any questions that you might have or comments, anything that you want us to discuss on here. This is an open platform that we'd love to share. So we're in October now. It's official. September was a really strong month. I know listings seem to be really low. Is that right, Steve?
Oh yeah, listings continue to remain at historic lows, and we anticipate that that'll happen through the rest of the year.
We're looking at the Cromford Market Index, which is a tool that we use to kind of judge how the market's moving up and down. Just to give you a brief overview, when you're looking at this chart, anything at 100, the number 100 represents a normal market, anything above 100 represents a seller's market, and anything below 100 represents a buyer's market. As you can see on the chart, 100 isn't even present on this. We are at an all-time high of 348.6, even higher than we were at the peak of prior to the recession. And although the growth is still happening, it's at a much slower pace. And as long as demand remains strong and inventory remains low, we're going to continue to see that climb, meaning prices should also continue to climb. The other thing I want to touch on, and something that we share with all of our clients, is right now, yes, it seems like we're at a peak like we were back prior to the recession. However, people are actually putting money down. A lot of times these purchases are made with cash. Lending restrictions are a lot tighter than they were. Rent prices continue to go up as opposed to going down. So there's a lot of strong indicators that say that there's not a fall coming.
Yep, and a lot of people have solid equity in their properties as well, just because the market has increased so nicely over the last couple of years. So even if they bought their property 6 months ago, they're sitting on some nice equity, and most people have put at least 20% down. That's not always the case, but so that should keep things nice and stable as well.
And if we look at the chart here, you'll see that in Q3 of 2019, we actually had 720 new listings in the North Central area. And in Q3 of 2020, we actually had 793. So we actually had more inventory hitting the market this year in our area than we did last year at the same time. So, obviously the fourth quarter tends to be the lowest given the holidays and time of year. So we're anticipating that to be the same. So we're not foreseeing that 3 times inventory increase coming by any means. So
we've actually been a part of 2 of the 6 $2 million sales this year, and we anticipate that as we move forward into next year that we're going to start seeing some $3+ million sales in North Central. So that just was not happening before.
If you look at the chart for the sales per month, you can see in all of 2019, there were 48 homes in the North Central area that sold for over $1 million. And there was absolutely none that sold for over $2 million. So this year to date, so through for Q1 through Q3, we have a total of 54 homes that have sold for over $1 million, with 6 homes over the $2 million mark. And there is currently, as of right now, 7 homes that are active over $2 million and 1 that is under contract. So we expect to see that big numbers coming up in North Central as our area continues to gain popularity and growth. And that's kind of our market update for you. I know Steve and I really appreciate all of the feedback that you guys have given us.
Thank you guys so much. We really enjoy these monthly market update videos, and we look forward to seeing you guys next month. Thank you.
Thank you.